Hello everyone, welcome back to Project Aviyon 2.0 Part 4. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a quick synopsis of what was accomplished since Part 3. So let's go into it. Alright, so before we get into this, I'm going to show you guys what we actually fixed. So let's go into projects. So here is the new projects. The previous one kind of looked like this. It was kind of bulky, it didn't make sense, it was repetitive, kind of repeating the information that I wanted visible on the actual projects page, which kind of looks like the page that we saw when we just came into the browser. So anyway, in this one, you can see all the projects that we have. Of course, when everyone is logged on and creating projects, tons will be listed here, not just our 4. So right now it's viewing Greenheart PT, VGS, PGR, and Mara. You can then filter through. Sorry, I haven't filtered any of that, but you will be able to filter it through there. You can then filter all projects created by Aviyon, all projects in general, which is actually a default when you log in. You can filter ones by project logo, ones that have the last updated date. Now, I just kind of made up a date. I think this was the last date I actually worked on Green RPG. So I just kind of copy and paste to change the name. Sorry, I was too lazy to add in the logo. I'll probably do it in part 5. I'm sure you guys know how they look like. You can also filter by the people or the projects that you are following. And you can search people, the projects they have created or projects that they are following. It's going to be kind of cool. I'll probably start showing you guys that in part 7 or part 8. And of course you can kind of hide that to see all. So once you filter through, you can hide it to look at them more clearly. And again, everything makes a lot more sense. You have the name, the last updated date, and who actually created it. And the next thing we kind of fixed up was the support. So basically through support, you have your information, which is seen on Aviyon.com, changed slightly to accommodate the social mode. You can post in our forum. And over here, if someone were to click in, they can then post straight to our forum page, which is here. Now I'll get into that in a second. But anyway, yep, so they can click here, type in whatever they want, and post it to our forum if they have a question, and anyone who has an account passing by our Aviyon will answer it. The quick fix that we did, we kind of removed the slashes in the back of the words for cleanliness, and the highlighted things that are showing will be visible below. So alright, let's get into social mode. So as you can see, we kind of added, since the original one, we kind of added photo upload icons there, and also follow and connect links over here. Of course, no two things will be showing at the same time. If you are the site owner and you won't be visible to this, it'd be kind of insane for you to follow and connect with yourself. But you can edit your banner and edit your profile pic. And if you are not the logged in user or the page owner, you will then be visible to the follow or connect. If you're already following the person, it'll simply say following, or already connected, it'll say connected. And I've added, just a bit of an update before, I kind of added the follow and connections below. In the company page, this is the only page that you will both be able to follow and connect, as well as the user page. So anyway, here it is. If you're kind of wondering what this icon is, that's Firefox's way of letting us know this is a broken link, or there's no real source connected to it. So that's why you're seeing that. And I just kind of added that. I kind of added in the date or the month in which the pics were uploaded. So you can see there. So you can actually switch between stacked and grid down here. You can scroll up to the top, switch it back to grid or stack, however you want to view it. And you can edit through your settings here. Click on it. You can kind of edit the information, which we haven't added in yet. We'll be doing that next part 6 of the video. And you can delete an image if you wish. And let's go back to posts. So before there was no comment. So if you click the comment button here, you will see the comments visible below. You can then edit this. You can hide it. You can update it, delete it, report it. Refresh it, show it back. And you can also favorite a particular comment, as well as favorite the overall post. Same here. You can do multiple things at once. These are kind of copied and pasted just to show you guys. It's not really necessary to make them unique. So anyway, and hashtags, @, and users will be, of course, highlighted to go to the actual page. And I believe that's it for that. You can also hide the overall post if you don't like it. If you are the page owner or the post owner, you can then delete it. Anyone can report. Non-logged in users are able to do that. You can update your posts. You can hide the whole entire thing. And refresh it, bring it back. So let's hop into videos. Now this play pause button, it's not going to play because there's no video link to it. Like the images before, there's no actual source for the video, so everything is sort of empty. And of course this is accomplished by video tags. Of course that everything will look a lot more different when PHP or Python is kind of logged into it, so this is kind of the standard view of how I do the mockups. So anyway, you can switch back from stacked and grid. You can play it, and you can play it in a smaller version as well. And like before, you'll be able to see the month in which the videos were uploaded. And if you click on one, you can then toggle through the months. I haven't added that. I'll add it in the next video. You can then edit, delete video like before. Form kind of looks very similar to the post, but anyway, the form. The overall post in which that was posted, you can favorite it. You can also favorite individual posts. You can edit each post. I haven't added that and I'll do it. You can also click the reply, so you're replying to a form post here, and of course you'll see your logged in user pic. Of course, you'll see it here. I haven't added that in yet, and you can post back, and you can also view it here. It tells you what would you like to comment. Now instead of doing it kind of like this, they kind of made it freestyle, so anyone can add in links instead of being limited to the bio and purpose of certain things, your projects and your user page. We sort of made it freestyle, so you can just kind of add in a paragraph, a few sentences, some links, pictures, whatever. So freestyle, so anything about your company, user, or project page will be visible there. We also added in a trending here, so it'll let you know what's trending, which projects are trending, hashes, and users, and also, of course, you see the projects here. So let's get a look at a user page. So you click on the user page. Of course, the user can then upload a banner. As said before, no two of these things will be visible at one time. I'm just showing you guys how they look like. For the actual coding, so as said before, anyone or the user, the owner of the page, can then upload and switch out their banner pic here. Of course, you'll see their name if they're verified. It'll say it here. And And everything is going to look pretty much the same. Of course, you won't be seeing the creation process here. That's only, if you've seen part 4, that's only for Aviyon's company page. That's the only page that will be seeing it to market or promote the things we create. So everything will be pretty much the same. Posts will be centered there. Photos, videos will be listed like that. I just left it there just to give you guys a general view of how it is. And all this is accomplished very easy right now. Just call it kind of user 2. Just simple tags to create these comments and everything. It's kind of actually a lot of logic to create it, but everything's pretty much simple and straightforward. So let's go look at a project page. So you click on VGS. Sorry, as before, I forgot to say, if you are connected with your company or posting through your company, you will then see the projects that you are a part of. And also you can join team. This actually needs to be gone. Forgot to edit that out. So for instance, on Aviyon, you can join the team or be a part of the team, and you can send them a team request and they will accept it. And then you can be a part of the developer team. But most pages like this only accept verified users. So anyway, so this is a project page. You'll have the project logo, whatever you want to display there. I need to add a border to that. I'll add that. So it's a banner like before. Everything's pretty much the same, except you can then add notes. You can add notes as seen on our vectors. So you can see the last update, expected launch date. You can also add more notes here if you are the project page owner. So I believe that concludes it for all that we have. I hope you guys like the updates, and be sure to let us know what you think in the comments. And thanks everyone. See you in part 5. Hello everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please show your support by liking, sharing, and giving us feedback. Please subscribe, follow, and like us on the various social media. Be sure to visit us at Aviyon2 to browse our projects, designs, and learn more about our many other services we offer. Learn how to get designs, projects, and more created for free.